inside the museum, we do not have toilet. Our toilet is right here. And we also have it beside the horse carriage. At least you know where it is, just in case. Any one of you who wants to use the toilet now, you can actually do that. Because like I said, 45 minutes or an hour together with a tour. Anyone else? Anyone wants to use the toilet now?
For full and many other videos, subscribe YouTube channel MJ296, spelled as AMJAY296. Like and share videos. Thank you.